my name's Dave Walters. I'm the manager of warranty and field service for Alcoa wheel products, and I'm here to talk about the hub board groove. And I was actually telling my co-workers here that this hub board groove, I was in Houston, Texas at a bus place, and they were having trouble getting the wheels off. One of the mechanics says, "Why can't you just put a groove in this wheel?" And boy, the light bulb came on. I went back and I remember telling Mike Duran, "Can we put a groove in this wheel?" And he's like, "Yeah, but what does that do?" Well, basically what it does is reduce the contact area by 50%. So instead of having your wheel stick on, because of the invention of simple putting a groove in here, we reduce the contact area so it's more less likely to have your wheel stick on. I still highly recommend on trucks the little tangs here to put a dielectric grease on so you don't have that trouble removing wheels. On a bus hub, it's a full hub, so it's in contact. It's critical in the bus industry to make sure you put a dielectric grease so you can get the wheels on and off.